Creating an elegant table setting sometimes can be daunting, expensive, and a little bit intimidating. But guess what, guys? I have the perfect DIY for you. It's simple, it's elegant, and it's inexpensive. If you want to create an elegant placemat to display those beautiful plates, get some craft paper. I chose this craft paper from Dollar Tree, and you can get it from any craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, etc. Then you're going to need some bling wrap. I chose Totally Dazzle bling wrap because it's a little easier to maneuver and to cut, but you can use any bling of your choice and color, as a matter of fact. Once you've pre-measured your paper and pre-measured your bling to fit your plate, then you're going to cut it out and then glue around the edges of your bling and attach it to your paper. Now for the insides of the bling, use very few drops of glue so that you don't create a big mess and burn yourself, because you know the bling has the holes in it. Then once that has, you've did that, cut off the excess, make sure your corners are all even and make sure your lines are straight. And once you do that, make sure the bling is firmly attached to the paper so it's one cohesive unit. And the only thing left to do after that, guys, is to set your table. It is that simple. So elegant, inexpensive, and simple. So you go for it. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I would love it if you would share, like, and please subscribe to my channel. You guys be blessed.